Welcome to my YouTube channel and please subscribe my YouTube channel. How do tax deduction work when donating a car? Written by our TurboTax expert, reviewed by our TurboTax CPA, updated for tax year 2023 October 19, 2023, 8 a.m. Overview: donating your car to charity and result in significant tax saving if you including it was celebratable dedications. However, doing a little planning will ensure that you maximize the tax saving for a donation. Step 1. Find out how much the charity sold the car for. Step 2. Determine the car fair market values. Step 3. Claiming the dedications. Step 4. Additional forms you will need. Key takeaways. The charitable deductions for a car that a charity sells is limited to the sales price even if the car for market values in higher. If the sales price of donated wheels is less than $5,000, you can dedicate 5,000. Less than 5,000, you can deduct 500 on your car's fair market values, whichever is less. If the charity sells the car at a significant discount to a nearby individual or keep the car for its own use, then you can claim a dedication for the car's fair market values. Charity are typically required to report the sales price of your car to your from 1098 centigrade. Charitable deductions donation your car to charity and can result in significant tax saving if you include it in your charitable deduction. The Internal Revenue Service IRS require you to calculate your tax deduction in one of two ways depending on how the charity use your donation. Deductions for the charity sales are limited to the sales price. In most other cases, you can use the car fair's market values. Here are 4 simple steps and tips to help you understanding and claim a tax deduction for your donate car on your tax return. Step 1. Find out how much the charity sold the car for. Use the price the charity sells you can for as the amount of your deductions. For example, if the charity sells the car and equations for $3,000, you dedications in limited 3,000 even if the fair market values is 4,500. However, if the charity sells the car at a significant discount to a nearby individual or keeps the car for its own use, then you can claim a deductions for its fair market values. If the charity sells you can car sells for 500 unless you can deduct 500 on your car's for market values, whichever is less. For example, if your car is valued at $650 but sells for $35, you can deduct $500. Charity are typically required to report the sales price of your car to you on Form 1098 centi. Step 2. Determine the car fair market values. To essential your car fair market values to calculate your deductions. The IRS suggested that you use a requireable used car price guide condensed constituting the Kelly Blue Book My Car Values online tool. For example, such the private party price for your wheels based on its make, model, and overall conditions. TurboTax tip: complete form 8283 if your car donate deduction is more than 500. If your reduction is generated than 5,000, you will need a written appraisal as documentations of its values.